In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable data saver on YouTube. So in case you are running low of data and you want to save your data while at the same time watch your videos, there are two ways you can achieve this. Now, the first way is to go to settings, and you can go to settings by tapping on the little icon of your profile here. And this will bring out the settings button, which is this, and then head down to video and audio preferences, which is this. So from here, select video quality preferences, and as you can see under video quality on mobile network, it is set to auto, which means it plays according to the strength of the network. But for your case, if you want to restrict it to data saver, select the data saver option, which is this, and that's it. Alternatively, if you are watching a video, you can directly save data or use low data direct from your video. Just go ahead and select settings on your video and choose quality. From here, you can see it is under auto, which means it automatically plays video according to the strength of the network. So to save on your data, just go ahead and tap on data saver. Now, it is recommended to use data saver mode if you are running low on mobile data. However, if you are connected on wireless network or Wi-Fi, there is no need to choose this option. Just set it to auto. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.